Yeah, I don't think it was a vintage or classic TNS performance. You know, I thought we started the game reasonably well, and then we had a 20-25 minute spell where we were pretty sloppy. I thought we're much better the second half, you know. They've had one opportunity from a corner, where I think it was a free kick anyway, but they've had one opportunity and we've had 6 or 7 in the second half where, you know, you'd like to score 2 or 3 more then.
Yeah, pleased. We had to be brave, and you know, we worked on a couple of things on Thursday, but no, really pleased with the performance. We're up against a very, very good outfit, and at times today I thought, you know, we had them on the back foot, which is really important, so I'm delighted. Yeah.
Ryan, congratulations on the win and a scorio man of the match performance and a scintillating goal. Talk us through that one.
Yeah, I was obviously just trying to pick up positions to obviously hurt the opposition. It was obviously it came back out at the edge of the box, and I just had one thing in my mind to try and work a yard, and luckily I've hit it with my weaker foot and it's gone in the far top corner.